So I thought I was recording earlier, and then I realized that my camera was not on. So I just want to explain what's happening here. We have about 3 chickens that have actually died today in the farm. So we found them in the morning, still early in the morning. When I came to do my morning routine, I found these 3 chickens died or dead. So I tried to perform some postmortem on them and check what's wrong, because that's what I normally do. When I found a dead chicken, I don't just take it out and throw it away. I also check what's wrong with it, so that I can actually know how or what's the problem that I'm having in my house. So as I said, I thought I was recording, but I didn't record. So I'm just gonna explain to you what happened. So this one, it had a heart failure. As you can see, the heart is covered with fat. You can even barely see the heart. You only see fat. I'm not sure if you can see it. You see it, so you can't see the heart. Let me take this one and you see. So this is how the heart is. But with this one, you can probably tell it's covered with a lot of fat. Okay, so when you come into this one, it had 2 issues. Water barely, the water just came out, you cannot see it anymore, and it also had the same issue of heart failure due to a lot of fat covering its heart, and also the lungs were also covered with a little bit of fat. So yeah, okay, so if you can see here, it's wet, is the water that just came out of this chicken. So this one had water peel, and it also had a heart failure. So it's 3 that were out today in the morning, and then I found about 5 chickens were not looking good, and I took them outside my brooding space, and then I put them here. I'm just gonna create a sick bay for them. So there are about 6 of them. They're not looking good. They look sick. Yeah, it's a very sad day today at Makwala Agri. This is my first time actually experiencing something like this. I don't remember having this kind of chickens dying in numbers like this. The last time this happened, it was last year December, but they were very young. Like it was a 50 whatever a hatchery fold. So those chickens didn't come looking good. They gave us very bad chicks, and they didn't make it. So this is the rest of our chickens. They're actually turning 4 weeks this week. They're now 3 weeks and 4 days, I think. So they're gonna be turning 4 weeks actually in the next 3 days. And this is when we start to experience such things. So whenever we say that, sometimes when you raise a chicken, you may do mistakes at the beginning, and then they may cost you at the end. So these are kind of things that we're talking about. We are having a serious problem in the chicken house now, because this is high number, and we only lost 3, I think. No, we only lost 2 during the brooding stage, and then now we are starting to lose chicken in number. So I don't know what happened, where did we do the mistakes. I will just try and remember what I may have done wrong. But yeah, like I said, Limpopo, it's a very hot country, hot province, I'm sorry. And then yeah, you will experience there's no water. I'll put the water. I'm just gonna go and buy something for them, just to actually try and see if we cannot solve the problem that we're having, because it seems like we're gonna be having high number of mortality in this sector. Because looking at these ones, they're looking bad, and they're about 6, and we already lost 3 chickens so far. 3 plus 1 that we lost yesterday. He also had a heart failure, and then during the brooding stage we lost 2. So this takes our mortality to 7 so far. It's bad. It's bad. 7 plus 6, that's not promising. So yeah, count how much money we are losing. We're losing about 1 point something there. So it's one of those days that are set days at Makwala Agri. So somebody was asking, what do I do now with the dead chickens in my farm? We throw them away, chief. We dispose them. We throw them away. I saw some people, they compost the dead chickens, and I just threw them away. I put them on my dustbin, and then I throw them at the big municipality dustbin, and then yeah. all the things that are not needed. So